Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change your Facebook profile link. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Facebook. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on your profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will end up in this interface. So simply scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Then once you're in your privacy center, you can find your option called personal details. So simply tap on your personal details and there you can find your profiles as well. Simply tap on your profile and on your Facebook. There you can find the option called username. So once you tap on username, you can simply edit your username. So once you edit your username and change it, your profile's URL will now be changed according to your current username. So this is how you can simply change your profile link on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.